Exercise 1. The table above shows some values of x and their corresponding values of y. Which of the following equations shows a possible relationship between x and y? So, we are given certain x values with their corresponding y ones. Now, it's up to us to see which one of A, B, C, D would be the proper equation that can fit all these points. In this case, we would have to trial and error. So we need to pick points, substitute them accordingly, and see if we end up with something true. If we end up with something which is not true, then we would have to reject that option. Always, in such cases, we should be looking for the easiest points. And by easiest points, we should look if in any of the variables we have 0. So here I can see that when x is 0, y should be 3. Let me go to a. 0 plus 3 is 3, could be a. However, I have to reject b directly because when x is 0, the y should be 3 times 0 should be 0 and not 3. Let's see if it's c. When x is 0, y should be 3 times 0 plus 3. It's equal to 3, so perhaps it is c. Let's see if it's d. When x is 0, y is 2 times 0 plus 5, which is 0 plus 5 equals 5, so I should reject d as well. So now I'm between a and c. Okay, I'm gonna use a second point. Let's use this time point with coordinates -1 and 0. Based on this, if x is -1, we expect to have y equal to 0. We are now between a and c. I'll begin with a. A says that y equals x plus 3. So when x is -1, y is -1 plus 3, which is 2. That's not equal to 0. Therefore, I should reject a as well. Finally, I'm left with only one option, which is the right one for this exercise.